Suspect broke like dog and hungry and a back up in life. Beg me $50 from when I can't pay me feet. One suit of clothes before 6 weeks now. Think like dog. Green, he young. He arm no smell well. Them man afraid of bathing. Suspect ugly like sin.
What's it now? What's it now? The table for a long time, still.
Eh?
I told my big $50 dog.
No, I know you're not paying me for you.
But I don't give me, don't give me.
I just want video we do, man.
Dog, I don't know video this dog. Something there for your stomach, dog.
No, what you mean? Why?
Dog, John, dog.
Why?
See after eating, brother.
No, I say things like that.
Bro, you know, can't bother shot my video,
brother. What you mean I can't?
You know vibes, dog.
You know vibes?
John, know you go to. After eating, brother.
Jaja, yo. Say nobody want the food?
Wait.
Eh?
Wait.
Suspects love take people baby father. Suspect more than a filter that sign now it's not no man. Suspect love them man can't fat. Suspect live with man and can't live yard. Success you have fee girl baby father and no fee. Suspect love Zeta couldn't go on like.
Suspect. Face hard like the pandemic. Suspect can wear imitation shoes. Suspect have on fake locks. Suspect, yeah, let me see them faster than she run. Suspect afraid of cow. Let it go.
Mark said go.
We can't bother with it.
Suspect is a son of my junior because it's like dog.
Suspect family never want him, so they said him a country.
Suspect people on the top the son in front of him move got foreign.
Suspect man left him then go marry to somebody else.
Suspect can both 7 man and me have a fear by him Kentucky same way you have to borrow money from the man and give them back when you pay there, bitch.
Suspect I go to school and I know can't pass a subject.
Fucking bright. Guys, I'm a college student. Don't make you bright, or you're bright, bitch. A 3 subject you have. Don't do that. Suspect take show off and resign, and when you got embassy, they don't give me visa. You have to turn back and come back. You walk what you say.
Don't put them. Suspect have to take one bag of sleeping pill because he man nearly killed him the other day and he not no man.
Suspect says she a hot girl but have one fake teeth in her head.
Suspect so he's so Jamaican, but a bare front him nyam.
Suspect use affirmer after pay for everything.
Suspect who been growing the beard for 5 years.
Suspect gave birth 4 years ago but still wear the hospital underwear.
It's so long, stop it.
Yo bro, so cause I had to tell you to start wearing it.
Suspect won't eat unless I cook.
Duh.
No. We will starve in here. We will starve to death if anything, if I don't cook.
Suspect says she gonna start eating healthy Monday but feel for something nice every day.
That's me!
That's you? Suspect says she a big girl but cries for every damn thing.
Love the boy and him no love her. Suspect love go like shit at girl and she blind like bat. Suspect love laughing at teeth and me like butter. Suspect love go like shit at girl and she mad like dog.
Come suspect grill up our mouth and man still a broke in there.
Suspect say my boy and the end to bring girl up. Suspect say she a hot girl but ever broke her always do something nice.
She suspect say she a hot girl and every time she go look for her man she have to walk go home.
Suspect say my hot boy and every girl in get turn on game but and breathe pan him.
Suspect say she a hot girl and every go she have to catch up on her ear. Suspect say she a bad girl and the girl come for beat her and then she run down in her house. 2 of them.
Suspect don't want drink him look chubby because I'm thinking about a foreign. Suspect think him a big foreigner and I want to drink him chubby. Come here. Come drink your chubby. Suspect still a suck mummy breast. Suspect still a take titty. I'm big old 2-year-old still a drink mummy breast. Come here. Suspect still a wear pampers. Suspect still a wear pampers. What's wrong? You shame? Where hey, me just a joke, you know. Me shame ya. Me shame ya. I'm sorry. Come here.
Suspect love man like dog. Go soak your blood clots. You see your fucking breath. Suspect never stop touching breed. A beer ball a man suspect take.
Trying the suspect challenge with my dad.
Alright, ready. Suspect phrase we admit same old.
Suspect. Suspect is this. Look, the suspect, your door's big.
Yeah, this No, not play. Guys,
It's a stop video me boy, your guys design guys.
suspect start
Suspect
mind
is-
when me at 12.
Suspect my way, you're lucky so we get my.
Feels like our sexuality. Especially if I'm one name catches.
Suspect and feel say, yo, every day man, the woman left, but he gone back to you, man. Watch him. Can't let you one girl alone.
Suspect don't know which gender the truth. Came to say she had one and the whole in her face brown and black. Can't admit every night in them front. Every new girl will start working and can go to bathroom go lock up.
Suspect every day you belly bad and you belly big. Suspect, other day you got bust off inch.
Like she up girl and if her parents say she can't lift her, she can't lift.
A bleach and can't reach her now with the copper skin complexion.
Suspect went to the ER for drinking too much espresso.
I was dying. Suspect thinks he has asthma, but he's really out of shape.
Suspect claims to be on a diet but orders a large pizza from Domino's.
I can't see the suspect.
Suspect burns every meal she cooks.
You eat it.
Suspect wants more workout clothes but goes to the gym once a week. Suspect can only cook boiled egg.
Suspect thinks his height starts with a 6, but it's really a 5.
No. No. Suspect runs like a 3-year-old.
Suspect's big back is always plucking food out the bowl while I'm cooking.
Suspect say my big man, but he can't reach it up at a fridge.
Suspect, just 21, move like 32, but back actually I say 45.
Suspect ball, he's also struggling to grow a beard.
So you want to do it? Suspect come from friend, I want to drink back the water if he switch back to tap. Suspect is already out of breath.
Suspect doesn't have a neck.
Suspect needs to call Willy Wonka back.
Suspect can never hit him and they gon' FanDuel.
Oh, wow. Suspect can't cook as good as my mother.
Suspect doesn't have a butt, it's all back.
Suspect's most definitely pre-diabetic.
Suspect can never find anything unless it's right in front of him.
Suspect is a responsible adult and got Jamaica and left her green card and foreign.
Whatever. Text plug him is what, that's why he has so much kids.
Suspect is a hot girl but ours look like some 1942 old woman.
Suspect think that if he doesn't leave the house, he doesn't have to bathe for the day.
Technically,
You're nasty.
Suspect is a hot girl but snow like
Like he's an Olympic bronze medalist, but look like he's never run a day in his life.
Suspect is a big kid but cry for every single thing. Suspect is a big kid but have her shoes on the wrong.
Suspect can't grow a beard.
Bro, you about to do that? I'm not doing, bro.
Suspect got a big forehead.
Suspect is wearing 1 of 5 of his pants.
Bro, I'm about to go in the house.
Suspect wants to be a wife but can't cook.
Still got that ring though. Suspect thinks putting the food away is putting the whole pot in the fridge.
Because it is.
And it's not.
Suspect has no edges but use edge control.
So? Suspect can't hit on FanDuel.
Suspect run like a 4-year-old.
Suspect always got the gas on E. And don't say you don't.
Suspect bun is small.
Suspect's phone only works in Wi-Fi.
Suspect's mad she had to pay for her own car to get fixed.
Suspect thinks he's really popular, but no one knows him but his aunt.
I actually am pretty famous.
No one knows you.
Suspect tends to post a lot of TikToks, but almost never goes viral.
Suspect had a football scholarship, but now sleeps on an air mattress.
At least it ain't pop. Suspect had a business until he got shut down.
Suspect I shot this night group, but she thinks she tall. Suspect ain't just big in that place, so. Suspect chin just long. Suspect love tell people suck them, madam. Suspect bag always up in her back. Suspect love tell people so them big and stink. Suspect always I eat plum. Suspect big and stink. Suspect don't know who his daddy is.
Yo, what are you doing? Why would you say something like that? That's crazy. Delete that. That's way too much of my personal business.
Suspect used to live in a crack house.
Yo, I'm done with this. It's true.
Come on.
Nah, man. You going too far, bro. It's supposed to be fun and healthy. Like relationship stuff. You really got this built up inside you. That's messed up, man. Ain't no way. Grew up in a crack house? That ain't nobody's business, man. Yo, turn the camera off, bro. Pee in the bed sometimes. Like that's for one, that's not true. But that's going too far. You know what I'm saying? Suspect duded on himself because he laughed too hard. You know what I'm saying? I don't know with you. These trends, I'm done with them. I'm not playing these games with you no more. Got the neighbors out here thinking that we crazy.
Suspect is 22 looking for a man and it's pick up more girl than man.
It's my fault.
Yeah,
It's my fault.
look at how you dress, Christina. Look at how you dress, right? You expect to pick up a man looking like a man? Eh? Answer my question!
Like it's not an 23-year-old female, but wouldn't be hard to find. She just followed the trail of sweat from under she foot. Okay.
Suspect is a 22-year-old female and yet to hit puberty. You alright? You okay?
Alright.
Suspect is a 22-year-old female wouldn't be hard to find she because she have two left ears, she could never hear right. Suspect is 22 and still had a teeth she mother close to go to church.
I don't have no dress.
Yeah, because you look like that.
I just can't pick it.
It's not an apple, Christina.
She does teeth my clothes, but I can't take she clothes.
Listen.
Suspect forehead bigger than the state of Texas.
Suspect just come to us and I know the fuck out of me whole fucking day.
Language on my TikTok.
Suspect lips black like charcoal.
Suspect who hair has been growing for 10 years. Suspect does use hair grow all but hair don't grow. Suspect who have 10 different best friends every year. Suspect finds us later and thought she look like Sassy right because she thinks she your rent. Sassy right from Wish or Timu.
Suspect got cheated on 100 times and still went back.
Suspect was in a 14 relationship, no ring, no kids.
Suspect said she was gonna learn how to run this year, but she's already 30.
Suspect dated a guy with a baby on the way and thought she didn't have to worry about a baby mom.
Suspect couldn't find a date in real life and had to get on Facebook dating.
Suspect is 30 years old, moving back into her dad's house.
Suspect said she hates her dad, but bought him an Apple Watch for Christmas.
Suspect lost 20 pounds and still has body dysmorphia.
Suspect started hair school at 30 years old and all her classmates were 18.
Suspect went to dinner with an NBA player and then had a girlfriend and he blocked her on everything.